And when you already have it, then do a housewarming party with publicity. Date in secret. Propose in private. And shock them with your wedding invitations. Hayaan mong makita ng iyong mga haters ang reality. Or the product of your visions, not your plans. Dahil sa larong chess, you don't speak. You just act. The only time that you ever speak when playing chess is to say, checkmate. Kaya ikaw, hayaan mo silang maguluhan kung ano yung susunod mong hakbang. Act quietly. Keep achieving. Dahil at the end of your line, your achievement are your checkmate. Palaging tandaan that haters gonna hate, followers will follow, but your success will always be your own success.